You know you're officially an adult when you get excited about closet space in a house the size of your college dorm room. That was me, standing inside Sadie's suite, grinning like a guy who just discovered the shower doesn't double as a broom closet. I mean, this custom-built wonder by Decathlon Tiny Homes isn't just a house, it's a flex on wheels. Now, before we dive into whether this home can fit both you and your emotional baggage, spoiler, yes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to CampAvto. We tour tiny homes so you don't have to squeeze into one blind. Like the video too, or I'll assume you enjoy full-sized mortgages and cold toilet seats. Back to Sadie. Built on a triple-axle trailer, she rolls in at 32 feet. 9.75 meters long, and 8.6 feet, 2.6 meters wide. That's legally road-towable without permits, meaning you can park it in Texas or haul it off when your neighbor starts learning the trombone. Price-wise, the Poseidon base model starts at $112,750, €103,800. But Sadie's got enough upgrades to make a minimalist weep. Outside, you've got engineered wood siding in smoky blue, sleek black windows, and a chevron cedar accent that screams, "I have taste," and maybe a Pinterest addiction. They even threw in a built-in storage shed under the cantilever, perfect for hiding your failed hobbies. Inside, it's shockingly spacious. The private ground floor bedroom fits a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and enough closet space to finally hang up those "one day I'll fit into this again" jeans. Above is a loft, technically a second bedroom, but the owner's using it for hobbies. I respect that. Personally, I'd turn it into a panic room, where I pretend I didn't see the electric bill. The kitchen is full-size, functional, and fancy. Stone countertops, dark and light cabinetry, and real appliances. A 3-in-1 microwave combo, 2-burner induction cooktop, farmhouse sink, and a full-size fridge. It's not just for reheating leftovers. This place can host a Friendsgiving if your friends are into barefoot minimalism and artisanal hummus. The bathroom? It's a full pass-through with a proper vanity, medicine cabinet, walk-in tiled shower, and even a flush toilet. They somehow snuck in a washer-dryer too, which I believe deserves a standing ovation, or at least a standing shower.